Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. If you happen to be new here to my channel, I'm Christy, and if you are part of my YouTube family, welcome back. All right guys, today I'm going to be making London broil. So what is London broil? Well, London broil is more of a term referring to the method of cooking rather than a specific cut of meat. And it's made by broiling marinated beef, then cutting it across the grain into thin strips. And despite its name, the dish and terminology are North American, not British. Now, the cut of beef is anything from flank steak to top round. You can ask your butcher if you want to. It's usually the less expensive cuts of beef, which is really nice right now with the cost of beef. And I'm going to be making this as a Valentine's dinner. It's just one of those dishes that's a little extra special. So that's why I'm going to be making it. Now, I have marinated the beef, so let me show you just how I did that. So in a Ziploc bag, add 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme and rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to mince my garlic and place my beef into my marinade. And then place in your refrigerator a minimum of 2 hours or up to 8 hours. So now that I have placed my beef onto this cooling rack that's on my baking tray here, I'm going to put it in my oven under the broiler from anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes on each side. Just taken my meat out of the oven and I'm going to let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This is super important, guys. You want all the juices to stay inside that meat. If you slice it too early, then all the juices are going to run out onto your cutting board. So let it rest for 15 minutes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to take it off of this baking tray and put it onto my cutting board so that we can start to slice it. Okay, so I've placed my London broil onto a pretty platter here, and then what I have here is my reduced marinade, which makes a delicious sauce to pour over the beef. I simply poured the extra marinade into a small sauce pot, and I brought it up to boil until it reduced by half. Then I strained the marinade into a small pitcher. All right, so now it is the moment that I have been waiting for. I'm going to give me a couple slices of this London broil. Now, if you like your beef more well done, then you want to get the pieces that are on the outside. The pieces that are more in the center of the beef are closer to like a medium to a medium rare, depending on how you like it. If you like more of a medium rare, then just don't put your beef under the broiler for as long. Mine was under the broiler for 15 minutes per side. I'm gonna spoon some of this sauce onto my beef. And then I'm serving it alongside some mashed potatoes and green beans. That is so delicious. It's so tender. Well, thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.